The purpose of today's video is to walk the viewer through the Direct Choice MD telemedicine platform. We'll start here on the Direct Choice MD doctor profile page and select the telemedicine provider icon right above the doctor's photo. This takes the viewer directly to our telemedicine interface. From here you'd select patient, and we're going to go ahead and log in as a patient that already exists in our demo account. Logging in will take the patient to the Direct Choice MD telemedicine landing page. What we see here are two large icons in the center of the page. These represent the two main workflows that can be used to engage patients on our platform. The icon on the left is what we call the on-demand visit. This is designed for those patients that want to have a similar experience to walking in a clinic, urgent care facility, or emergency department. The patient coming in doesn't have to have an appointment, just fills out the basic intake form and waits to be seen by the next available provider. On the right is the second type of workflow, create appointment. This can be done by a patient, and this can also be done by a provider. On the left-hand side, the patient has additional choices. They can go to their home screen, manage their account, manage dependents, schedule an appointment, review their encounter history, review any files that have been uploaded, test the connectivity to the internet, or go to our help center. As you can see here, we're signed in as the patient Homer Simpson. Let's go first to dependents. Okay, you'll see that Homer Simpson has multiple dependents in his account. Now, this is a single user profile that has been created, but both Homer Simpson and his wife, Marge Simpson, could have their own individual user profiles and have different authorizations for the children, or in this case, the mother-in-law. For example, perhaps only Marge Simpson wants to be authorized to schedule appointments and review the files of her mother and not have Homer Simpson do the same thing. Each user and each dependent has their own full profile. Let's take a quick look at Homer's profile as an example of this. As you can see from in the profile page, each user and each dependent has the ability to put a range of personal information about themselves. Direct Choice MD's telemedicine platform is set up in a way that allows you to have an unlimited number of dependents to a single user account. Let's look at the next item here. See My Files. My Files is a file sharing application that we have built into our platform. This is similar to a Google or Dropbox account where you can just drag and drop or upload files. Medical providers can, patients can, and they can all be associated with user accounts or patient-dependent accounts. This feature, like the rest of the features on our platform, are built to be HIPAA compliant and satisfy all the rigorous standards required in the industry. This is also a function that can be used inside or outside of a live consultation. Because of that, it opens up basically any workflow you can think of that would entail moving files in between users on the system. Okay, let's go down to the next feature here, consultations. This consultation feature shows scheduled, past, DNAs dropped, and active consultations. We can see that Homer Simpson has had 2 past consultations. The patient, provider, date of the consultation, time of the consultation, and length of the consultation are all identified in this summary. And to see the report created by the provider after the consultation, you would click the report, and the provider has the ability to populate all of this information. Okay, let's go take a look at scheduling appointments. All right, you're still signed in as Homer Simpson, and you're going to schedule an appointment for yourself. Now again, this user, in this case the father of the family, has the ability to schedule appointments for any of the dependents that he's authorized to schedule for. In this case, he's going to schedule something for himself. Now currently there's a demo doctor that's available, and we see that the demo doctor is available Thursday, May 3rd for any of these times. You would select a time. Identify it as a video consultation, the date and time, primary concerns. Homer has a cough. Add another complaint. Homer's having stomach and abdominal pain. And he can write additional notes. And create the appointment. Okay, appointment was created. Because the appointment is in the future, you would click here to go to your calendar for Homer to look at his calendar. And you are back to the consultation page where you see scheduled appointments. This is the appointment we just set up. And that concludes our brief summary of the patient interface. Next time we'll show you how to do an actual telemedicine consultation.